Leading global transitions really is, well, it's one of the first units on the MBA, so it's a really important unit. It gives managers the insight to be able to operate in a global context. So we very much focus on global aspect, which is important, but also the diversity of the class means we focus on regions, countries, areas as well. So the students bring a lot to the unit. The unit adopts quite a critical perspective of modern finance and modern management, modern corporations. So it really gives managers the toolkit to be able to think critically. And that's what we really try to bring out through the unit. So yeah, we look at concepts such as shareholder value, the transition to ESG and sustainability. So we really give students an insight into those concepts.
Now we welcome our global MBA students for the January 2025 cohort. They are currently taking their very first workshops for the Leading Global Transition course. And as a support team, we make sure to be present to help them, assist them, and facilitate this new beginning for them, as it might be sometimes overwhelming, challenging. And with the support they get, we promise that the beginning will not only be challenging, but very, very exciting.
So today we have started our first workshop. It was great. It's all about financials, crisis, equities, etc. So, and I'm very keen and looking forward just to graduate from this course and having the benefits. And for sure, I'm gonna recommend to my colleagues and friends and my family to join Manchester. And it's one of the oldest universities around the world. And it has its reputation, high reputation, and it's an honor as a student to have a certificate or a higher educational certificate from Manchester.
A quick intro about me is that I'm the most technical person you can think of. I know and love what I do, but I have nothing to know about business. This is what made me intrigued because I want to go ahead with my career and go to the business world. This journey is going to be leading me toward that success.
So the Manchester Global Program emphasizes and focuses on particular learning, which is aligned with my aspiration to drive innovation, solving complex problems, and creating a lasting impact into both my organization and the industry.
Our group, almost every group had 6 people. So 6 of us with different backgrounds, you know, like one from the insurance sector, one from banking, one's from medicine, one is, for me, I'm from construction. So I have no idea about, you know, like what sectors these guys are from. So, you know, like all of us bring so many different ideas to the table. And it's about, you know, like how to solve a problem from different angle. And that brings about, you know, like it changes your mind. It makes you think in a different perspective that you have never thought before.
So honestly, it's more than expected. My experience, I was able in a short period of time to learn more, and this really will definitely add value. No need to wait till I get graduated. It's directly, I'm really getting more information, which will really enhance my knowledge and improve the perception how I see the business.
What I really love about teaching this course is that the students are so engaged. Now, I've taught undergraduate and postgraduate in different countries and in different disciplines, and I love teaching. It's great. But what I can say that I especially love about teaching the MBA students, and which I've definitely seen in Dubai, is that the students really recognize and appreciate that as working professionals, they really want to get as much as they can out of the experience. And you would think that's all students, but unfortunately in my experience, it's not. But it is with the MBA students. And I, as an educator, really appreciate it. Students are asking questions, they're supporting each other in their groups. I see them from the beginning till the presentation, how they're getting to know each other, how they're figuring out what to do, how to ask questions, dividing up work, supporting, and then when all the groups present, supporting the other groups as they present. And I just find it very rewarding.